In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the p-value in Google Sheets. Understanding how to compute p-values is essential in statistical analysis as it helps us determine the significance of our data. Let's dive into the process, which is simple yet incredibly powerful. First, you'll want to start by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't have one open already, head over to Google Sheets in your browser and create a new spreadsheet. Once you're there, you will notice the familiar grid layout, which is perfect for our next steps. Our next focus is selecting cell C2. It's as simple as clicking on it. By selecting cell C2, you are choosing the destination where the result of our calculation will appear. Google Sheets requires a specific cell to calculate and display outcomes, and we're using C2 for clarity and organization. Now, this is where the magic begins. In cell C2, you'll want to type in the following formula: equals t-test, open parenthesis, A2 colon A8, comma B2 colon B8, comma 2, followed by 3 close parentheses. Let me break that down a bit more. The t-test function is what allows us to calculate the p-value. It requires a few parameters. The first is the data range for our first data set, which we've assigned to cells A2 through A8. The next parameter is the data range for our second data set, in this case, cells B2 through B8. After placing a comma, you add the number 2 to specify the type of test. The 3 tells the function that we're performing a two-tailed test, which is typically used in hypothesis testing. Once you've typed in the formula, you simply hit the Enter key. As soon as you do, Google Sheets will calculate the p-value for you using the specified ranges and parameters. You'll see this value appear in cell C2. This result indicates the probability that the observed data occurred by chance. A low p-value, typically less than 0.05, suggests strong evidence against the null hypothesis, meaning the result is statistically significant. And there you have it. You've just successfully calculated the p-value using Google Sheets. It's a straightforward process that holds powerful implications for data analysis. Remember, having accurate data and understanding the assumptions behind your statistical tests is crucial for getting valid results. Always double-check that your data is properly structured and your parameters are correct to ensure reliability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.